30 chapter, the power of now. 30 chapter, make your accomplishment seem effortless. Your action must seem natural and executed with ease. All the tail and practice that go into them are also make the clever trick must be considered when you of act effectively as you could be much more. But the temptation of revealing how hard you work, it will rise question, teach no one your trick, or will they use against you? फिर इसके बाद क्या ये इंटरप्रिटेशन और रियल से पढ़ता हूँ जो मुझे अच्छे लगे हैं। टू सेंड नॉन यूकी द सडन अपीयरेंस ऑफ समथिंग नेचुरल ऑलमोस्ट एक्सीडेंटली ग्रेटफुल was the height of beauty. The beauty come out without warning and seem effectless. Nature creates such thing is on laws and process, but man had create their effect through labor and convictions. And when they show the effect, they produce the effect, and effect was spoiled. जब आप बताते हैं कि अपने खुद को साफ करने के लिए इफेक्ट लगाएंगे तो वो इफेक्ट खराब हो जाता है। द ग्रेट कम फ्रॉम टू फार अवे, द कटिंग ऑफ लेमन लुक कंट्री वीट, you will often have to use thick ingenuity to create your effect. The fusion in the snow, the man rode all night, but his audience must never suspect the work or think about has gone into them. Nature does not reveal its trick. Does what imitate nature by applying a effectless makes natural power. ये है अब अपने इफेक्ट को शो करने के लिए इफेक्ट दिखाने इफेक्ट को इफेक्ट खराब हो जाता है। ये मुझे अच्छा लगा। फिर दूसरा कहानी है एंड्रॉइड की, इसकी भी इंटरप्रिटेशन, दूसरी ऑब्जर्वेशन का भी इंटरप्रिटेशन है। Although we do not know for certain how Henry accomplished many of his most ingenious escapes, one thing is clear: it has not the occult or any kind of magic that gave him his power, but hard work and endless practice, all of which he carefully concealed from the world. But hard work and endless practice, all of his natural, carefully concealed from the world. Honda never left anything to chance. Day and night he studied the work of locks, researched centuries-old site of hand-trick, pored over books on mechanics, whatever he could use. Every moment not spent researching, he spent working his body, keeping yourself exceptionally limber and lean, learning how to control his muscle and his breathing. Early
भैया साइड की थी
अभी तो 6 बजे है, 6 बजे नहीं 6:30 बजे है। 2 लोग को जाना है सुबह, पर उन्होंने कहा हॉट स्टैंड वाली रहना 5 बजे के लिए। RPA शायद कुछ है, तो मैसेज यही आया था। ये देखो RPA क्रू एड्रेस हॉल स्टैंड।
दोनों 6:30।
हाँ 6:30 है वैसे नॉर्मली, अगर कुछ आएगा तो
वैसे वो डाल दे इसमें।
क्या आपको ऐड करने का?
हाँ।
ऐड कर सकते हैं अपना नंबर बताइए।
981718
988
1
1718
1 8
1187.
1 1 8 7. Okay. देखो, but hard work and endless practice, all of which he carefully concealed from the world. Hondoni never left anything to chance. Day and night he studied the work of law, researched centuries-old sites on handplates, pored over books on mechanics, whatever he could use. Every moment not spent researching, he spent working his body, keeping itself exceptionally limber, researching how to control his muscle and his breath. Early on in Henry's career, an old Japanese performer who is taught to teach him an incident trick how to swallow an every ball, then being it back up. He practiced this endlessly with a small peeled potato with his thought muscles until they had strong enough to move it without the string. The organizer of the London Hand Club Challenge had such Hyundai body throughout beforehand, but no one could check the inside of his throat, where he could have concealed a small tool to help him escape. So even Calpini has fundamentally wrong. It has not Hyundai tool, but his practice, work and research that made his escape possible. Calpini in fact has completely outwitted by Hyundai, but set the whole thing up. He let his opponent learn to go to the French clock and bind him into choosing those pulp on stage. Then during the two-man wrestle, the Dexteria Hyundai has able to change the code throughout. He had spent weeks practicing this trick, but the audience saw none of the sweat and toil behind the scene. Nor has Hyundai ever never timed it would take to escape as a far off heightening the drama and making the audience stand. His escape from death something grateful and easy made him look like a superman. As a person of power, you must research and practice endlessly before appearing in public stage or anywhere else. Never explore the sweet and flavor beyond your voice. Something such exploits will demonstrate their diligence and honesty, but it actually just makes them look weaker, as if anyone who practiced and worked at it could do what they had done. As as if there were not really up the job. Keep keep your respect and stick to yourself, and you soon have the great and else of God. No, never see the source of God power revealed, one see his effect. कोई किसी पावर नहीं सकता है, सबसे बेहतर a line will take us hours day, yet it does not seem a moment of thought. It stick and unstick has been naughty Adam thoughts. ठीक है. देखो स्कैरी रियल से भी स्कैरी है द स्कैरी विथ विच ही सराउंडेड योर एक्शन must seem light-hearted in spirit. A zeal to counsel your but create an unpleasant mood. Paranomic impression. You are taking the game too seriously. Honda is careful to make the concealment of his trick seem a game. All part of the snow. Never know your work until it is finished. But if it put into too much effect, keeping under wave, you will be like the painter Padmore who spent a last year of his life adding his horses on public eye. Horses on public eye and only success in driving himself mad. Always keep your sense of humor about yourself. These are also times you revealing the inner working of your project can prove worthwhile. It it all depends on your audience taste and on the time in which you operate. P.T. Burman organized that the public want to feel involved in their show and that understanding this trick delighted them partly perhaps because impactfully debunking people who keep their source of power hidden from the mass appealed in American democratic sprint. The public also appreciated the showman of humor and honesty. Burman took this to be extreme apologized upon Emberley in his popular autobiography written when his career has been as long as the partial disclosure of trick and technique is carefully planned rather than the real on an uncountable need to bulk. It is ultimate in cleverness. It gives the audience the illusion to become superior and involved even if too much remains it concealed from them. Great Mario once sent Potemko to decorate a pair of gold scales 7 feet high. The artist said he thought black and white scratches around suit them and wanted home again after considering them careful. Next morning he come early and made a large quantity of into which he dipped a horse who he had bought with him and proceeded to make impression of all this all over of his screen. Then with a large brush he drew a number of lines across them. It means Masumi had come in to watch his work and at this would contain his irrigation no longer an emerging but a blustery message is thrown away of his own apartment. The retainer told Tamu he has a very bad-tempered relative. He should not look on will I am at but them the replied the painter. He should wait till it is finished. Then he took up a smaller juice and dashed in touch here and there. As he did so the print of horseshoe turned into troops will a big gold stock made touches them. He then turned to the other screen and slushed dropped ink cover all over it, and when he added a few brush strokes here and there, they will a fight of shallow over value trees. When Marino saw the finish, he has overenjoyed as the artist's skill as he previously been annoyed and the appearance mask he has meaning of the screen. The दूसरी स्टोरी द रेसलिंग मास्टर. There has once a wrestling master who has burst in resistant and hold. He took a special liking to one of his pupils, to whom he taught 359 of them over a period of time. Somehow he never got around to the last trick. As months went by, the young man so became proficient in the art that he dressed everyone who dared to face him in the ring. He was so proud of his fearless that one day he wrote himself the Sultan that you could be readily whip his master where it not out of respect of his age and gratitude of this heritage. The Sultan become incensed at the invincible and ordered immediate match with the royal court of audience. At the point, the youth barging forward with a lusty yell, only with a confront with unfriendly advances her friend. The master sees her formal victory, left him in higher his ground and having him crashing on the ground, and the Sultan and the assembly let out a loud cheer when the Sultan asked the master how he is able to overcome such a strong opponent. The master confessed that he has used the secret tactic for himself for just such a contingency. Then he related the lamency of master of archery who taught everything. The now no one has learned archery from me. The poor follower compelled who has not tried to use me as bait of the end. ये लास्ट है. Keep the extent of your ability unknown. The wise man does not allow his knowledge and ability sounded at the bottom. As he desired to be honored by all, he allowed you to know them, but not to comprehend them. No one must know the extent of his ability. He is disappointed. No one ever has opponent of Antonin with him entirely, for this and doubt about the extent of his talent, more variation and accurate knowledge of them be them ever so great. Lester Garrison. ये हो गया नहीं, ये हो गया चैप्टर. मुझे सबसे बेस्ट अभी तक यही लगाए. अब कल मैं करूँगा कंट्रोल ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ये ये करना है. प्ले द पीपल फैंटेसी ये भी करना है. कल जो करेंगे. ठीक है. ओके बाय. धान उसे करें. टैक करा देते हैं. थैंक यू.